Hi everyone, in the last video we covered point cloud registration. Today let's look at another features in SHARE PointClouds Studio version 2.6. Coordinate transformations. Here is how it works. Under point cloud file, select the point cloud you want to transform. Next, click the path selector beside control point file and open the CSV file containing your control point data. The CSV columns should be arranged in this order: point name, easting, northing, and elevation. Click Locate beside a control point to quickly find its position. Then find the corresponding positions in the point cloud and left-click to select it. Repeat the same process for the remaining control points. Once all the points are selected, click Calculate Transformation Parameters. The software will automatically calculate the translation values, rotations around each axis, and the scale factor. If you need to start again, click Reset Parameters to clear the calculated values. Click Transformations Preview to check the transformed point cloud. You can also select original point cloud to return to the point cloud before transformation. Once you are confirmed the result, click Save. And that is how coordinate transformation works in SHARE PointClouds Studio version 2.6. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Follow us for the next tutorial where we will cover the PPK processing.